Let's return to the design of the basic pages on the site and understand what editing and design options we have. So we see the home page that Wix actually told us about, provided us, and we want to edit it a bit. So regarding the hero, as we called it on the main page, we learned how to do it. I can enter the background store, choose an image, video, or solid color. Let's choose a video now and type guitar. And let's just take this as an example. We have some kind of design here. Let's change it to our logo. We said to add an image plus an image from my pictures. We now have the logo. All right, so what we're going to do is take the current version and make some updates to align it with the new slogan that we have recently developed. This slogan was carefully crafted to better represent our brand's values and mission. The process will involve integrating the slogan into our existing materials and ensuring that it resonates with our target audience effectively. Sound. And we actually want this button to really direct to our store. So of course, once we grab a button, we can change the text to be written. We can change the design, switch styles of a button. We learned how to do it. Color. We can animate the button to enter with animation. And of course, set the link. So this is a feature that is very, very useful for linked. And here we actually have several types of links. We can disable the link and actually disconnect it. We can create a link to a page specific on the site. All we need to do is choose which page we want to send it to. Let's say we're sending it to a category page and also to a specific category. So let's say we want to direct it to the pickup category. Okay. The second option is a third, web address. If we want to direct it to an external intent site, do we want to direct it to a section specific voice within the site, to the top of the page or the bottom? We want to a document to give him the option to download a document. Will it be a link to an email address and then he can send an email? Is it a link to a phone number? And then when he clicks, it will dial the phone number? Or a light box, which is basically like the site card. It's essentially a card that opens above the site. So we want, of course, to direct it to a category, to a specific pickup category. Let's say publish. And here we'll go to the main page. And if you see that it's not updating, just refresh the page. And here is our video on the main page with the logo and the slogan. The one we added includes the button. Let's see that it indeed works. It is S, supposed to take us to the pickups. Excellent. Let's move to the bottom part. Below, we actually have a section here that's divided into two. Okay, and here too we can edit. Let's click on Manage Media. You can see we have two images. Okay. On this image it says Women Collection. This image says Men Collection. So here too we can update, and we want to replace image. Let's open a web browser and navigate to the Google search engine. Once there, we can type in the search bar to specifically look for a wide variety of images of different types of bridges from around the world. This will allow us to explore numerous designs and structures, providing a comprehensive view of bridge architecture globally. Okay, let's say we want this one. Save it on the computer using Save Image as put it on the desktop and return to the editor. We'll ask it to replace this image. Replace image, upload media from computer on desktop. It's this image. Okay, and if you could please change the title to Bridge. And we'll change the second image as well. Let's take something from Wix. For example, this one. And change its title to make it more appealing, informative, and engaging. And before we save, we actually have the option to add a link. Okay, so let's set it so that when clicked, it goes to the categories named page, a specific category of bridge. And when they click on it, they'll go to the categories page to Machine Head. Okay, it will take a few moments. Let's update. Publish. Return to the page, refresh. We have the hero, and we have the new products, which are currently also a link. The moment we click, it will take us to the bridge category. And when we click on Machine Head, it will take us there. Okay, let's move on. Of course, we also have the option to delete things we don't want, like this section. Simply select the section and delete. Here we have some kind of promotion, product, promotion that we want to place here. Okay, we can of course manage the product. We currently see the products we have. Is that all right with you? Let's go to the settings. And we'll actually ask it to connect to a specific product. Okay. Let's refresh. It seems we have removed this thing and actually connected it to the product we want to promote on the main page. Okay, of course you can edit, show the price, the name, the details. Okay, but actually, this way we created a direct link to the product itself. Okay, and we have, of course, the footer that we already made. Okay, there's the company logo, which is in its own section. It can be removed, and we have a main page